suddenly they realized this dead caterpillar tasted like a French fry. And suddenly, it was a party. Sorry, had to switch positions with the camera. Nature's cleaners. Unfortunately, they can clean up stuff like that, but not this stuff here. As you see when I zoom out, people just throw their trash every damn where. This is in the city, and this is unacceptable. There are those that will do this to our wild places as well, thinking that it's cool. That's bullshit. Pack it in, pack it out. City, country, the wild, it doesn't matter. But at least we get a really cool shot of the ants eating a French fry. They'll probably die of a heart attack, but hell, they're gonna die happy. Talk to y'all later. Bye.